Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your control settings on the SuperSus game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the SuperSus game on your device, and once you start playing, if you wish to change any control settings, then in order to do so, you can press the escape button or click on the gear icon at the top right. Now once the settings have been opened, you can go into the controls menu and now click on any button that you wish to change the control of. Once it turns blank, you can now press the desired new key, and by following this step you can remap all of your buttons within your game. You can also change the mouse and keyboard settings, and if you have a controller attached, then you may also change the buttons that are assigned to your controller. Once you have made your desired change, just close this menu and your settings will be applied. And now you can start enjoying your game with your customized controls right away. And if at any point you wish to change this in the future, you can once again go back by clicking on the gear icon to change your controls. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your control settings on the SuperSus game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.